Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Suva app. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. If you have not watched Suva app, you can go ahead and watch the Suva app video that I've already made. But right now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from here. So there is spill and there is some other tasks you can do. So now I want to withdraw this money I have on my spin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw and then cash out. I'm going to set the cash out method. There are two methods that you can actually use to withdraw from this app. First, put your region. Okay, look for your region and put. And then the second one, we have e-wallet and Binance ID. So I'm going to be using my Binance for this. Okay, so go ahead and click on Binance ID, and then go ahead and put your Binance ID. Okay, go to your Binance and copy your Binance ID. So once you copy your Binance ID, come over here and paste it. Okay, so paste your Binance ID and then screenshot your Binance ID or QR code from your Binance. Okay, go to your Binance and screenshot it. Once you are done, come over here and paste it. Okay, if you don't know how to get the QR code, let me know. I will help you with that. Okay, so go ahead and put your WhatsApp number. So once you put your WhatsApp number, Telegram number is optional. So once you are done with that, go ahead and click on submit. Please carefully verify your payment details. You'll be solely responsible for any incorrect payment results for errors. Okay, go ahead and click on confirm. Make sure everything that you put is correct. Go ahead and click on confirm. Withdrawal method successfully done. So we have put our withdrawal method. So I'm going to come back here right now. Can you see that my Binance ID have been added? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on withdraw. Please keep your accounts and password information safe. Do not disclose to others and others. So click on withdraw. Withdrawal requested. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to get the money on my Binance. So I'm going to go over to my Binance right now and check if I have received the money. Other processing will be handled within 1 to 2 days. Please wait patiently. Okay, so let me just take a screenshot of this. All right, let's go back. Okay, remember this money that I just withdraw is from spinning. Okay, there's all this. When you are doing your tax, you will see where you'll be asked to spin when you are doing your tax. Okay, you will see where you'll be asked to spin, so you can go ahead and spin. But for your tax money, if we come over here, the minimum amount you can withdraw is from your tax money is $10. That's the minimum amount you can withdraw. As you can see here, I have about 3 point something dollar here, so it's still the same way. If I click on withdraw right now, it's going to take me to where I'm going to my Binance ID. See, I've buying my Binance ID. So if I have $10 right now, I can go ahead and withdraw. So this is actually how to withdraw from your Suva app. Okay, so if you don't know about Suva app, go ahead and watch the video I made. It's still a live streaming app. You don't have to show your face. It is audio live streaming app. It is self-gifting app, and so many things you can actually do here to make money online. Okay, so go ahead and make all those money for yourself. Small you will make a big amount. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any question, drop it on the comments. I'm going to answer you. All right, see you on my next post.